Subject name Fundamentals of Plant Pathology. Hello learners, in this lecture we will learn more about important plant pathogenic organisms. First we have important plant pathogenic organisms: fungi, bacteria, fastidious, vesicular bacteria, phytoplasmas, spiroplasmas, viruses, viroids, algae, protozoa, and phanerogamic parasites. We will now study them in detail, starting with bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic unicellular prokaryotes which lack chlorophyll. These microorganisms are with a primitive nucleus lacking a clearly defined membrane. The bacteria are smaller than fungi and measure about 0.5 to 1.0 into 2.0 to 5.0 micrometers in size. More than 1600 bacterial species are known. Majority of them are saprophytes. Several species cause diseases in human beings and animals. About 200 species of bacteria cause diseases in plants. Moving on to fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic achlorophyllous organisms that may reproduce sexually and asexually, whose filamentous branched somatic structures are typically surrounded by cell walls containing chitin and cellulose. Next we have fastidious vascular bacteria. Fastidious vascular bacteria are otherwise called rickettsia. Like bacteria, rickettsia-like organisms RLO or fastidious prokaryotes or rickettsia-like walled bacteria. They are small bacteria with cellular ultrastructure of typical gram-negative bacteria. They are very exacting in their nutritional requirements, refusing to grow on routine bacteriological media. They have a cell wall like MLO and spiroplasma. Moving on to phytoplasma. Phytoplasma lack cell wall and are bounded by a unit membrane. They are pleomorphic. They lack cell wall. They have fried egg appearance of colony. They are filterable through 450 nm membrane. They have both DNA and RNA. They cannot be grown on artificial media. They produce symptoms like little leaf, phyllody, spike, yellows, stunting, witch's brooms, etc. They are mostly transmitted by leafhoppers. They are insensitive to penicillin and sensitive to tetracycline. Example: phyllody of sesame, little leaf of brinjal. Next we have spiroplasma. Spiroplasma is helical, wall-less prokaryotes requiring cholesterol for growth and cause diseases in plants, insects, and rats. They are insensitive to penicillin and sensitive to erythrocin and tetracycline. Example: constant citrus stubborn. Thank you.